and welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today we have come to the most famous Holy Cross Chapel of Baradi. The Chapel of Baradi is located in South Goa and is 18 kilometers away from the Margao city. It is also a part of the Velim constituency. The Baradi Holy Cross, or in Konkani, Baradi or also known as the Miraculous Cross of Baradi, has a staircase which allows devotees to reach the top near the cross. Many people are seen from across the state, irrespective of their faith, offering flowers, garlands, and lighting candles. The feast day of this cross is celebrated on the 3rd of May with great pomp and enthusiasm. The cross of Baradi provides a scenic view of the Velim, Betul, Sal River and the Arabian Sea. The view from here is mind-blowing, and this is one of the best views you could ever find in South Goa. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys liked my video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.